Hello. What did you get from Santa?
A potato. No.
And was it beautiful?
Be hot dog.
And Flynn Reiter. And what else?
Berries.
Fairies?
Yeah.
And what else?
Berry patties.
Fairy panties.
Yeah.
Are they lovely?
Yeah.
And show me Rapunzel. Oh, she's got a big plait. And do you love your princess castle?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you have to say to Santa?
Ta.
What do you say?
Ta.
And is he very kind?
Yeah.
And where's he gone now?
Pole.
North Pole. Until next year. Bye, Santa.